Hi Noah, it's Melissa Pierce. I am the local web designer that you spoke with on the phone earlier. I stumbled upon you looking for my local honey guy and noticed you didn't have a website, so I wanted to go over with you how having a website can help you gain more business in your area and the surrounding areas. And so I pulled up a couple of your top competitors in the area, and one was Trombees, bee removal service. They have 4.5 stars. Another is Colleen Pest Control. And I did pull up Advantage Pest Control also. So Colleen, typically Google likes, 3 things Google likes to see in order for you to be ranked to the top is content, backlinks, and citations. Looking at their website, they definitely don't have 1,500 to 2,000 words on the front of their website. So we could probably easily beat them out with content. I did pull up their website in a tool that I use called Ahrefs. And it looks like they have 348 backlinks, 39 referring domains, and 25 organic keywords. Now to start with, a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another via clickable text on the internet. So there is 39 different websites and there is 348 different links on those 39 websites referring back to their website. And so we can definitely get you ranked under some of these websites and also add more to it to get you up there to the top. It looks like they have 25 organic keywords, which is why they're at the top right now for the area. Colleen Pest Control has a search volume of 500 clicks per month. So anytime someone searches for that, Colleen Pest Control, they're clicking on their website 500 times a month. It looks like Exterminator and Colleen is getting 50 clicks a month. Pest Control Colleen is getting 10 clicks a month. They must be linked to Terminix Colleen somewhere. It's getting 100 clicks per month. So as you can see, different keywords can help you get more clicks to your website. And I can definitely find those keywords for you and put them on your website to get you ranked. This was the other guy in the area. I'm going to throw him in Ahrefs here. And this is going to take a second to load. And my computer's working super slow today. Okay, so it looks like they don't have any power going to their website. They don't have any backlinks, no referring domains, and 0 keywords. So it definitely would be easy to rank above them. Plus their website, there's not a lot on it at all. And we can definitely do better than that. Advantage Pest Control. Let's look at their locations. Yeah, this is another company that's probably nationally ranked. Like they have locations in Colleen, Temple, and Georgetown. We can definitely rank you in different locations too, and get you, more business outside of just Colleen, the Colleen area. We can definitely put more locations on your website and keywords that will help you rank outside of just this area if you want to go outside of the area. So another thing is citations that can help you rank. And basically a citation is anywhere your business name, number, and address are shown exactly on your Google business profile. So there are places in directories that you would put into directories, like Yelp, Angie's List, Facebook, Yellow Pages, BB&B. There's thousands of directories you can list your business in, and that will also help you rank on Google. So if you like what